Let's see the power of computed signals. So you'll notice here that we have about five recent search terms. Let's add another one. And you can now see that our list is getting really large. And that's not how it happens in the original, the Gmail style search bar. So there's a specific number of recent terms that are shown, the last 5 or 6 recent search terms. So how to do that in our case? Instead of changing the signal itself, we can actually use the computed primitive. So here, what we can do is that we can instead refer it to a computed, and this computed is basically just going to use this dot in search bar dot recent searches, but it's going to just slice that array. So let's try this out now. You're going to see that it only gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the good thing about signals is we don't need to do anything else to handle extra cases. So for example, when we remove rxjs here, you can see that the last one automatically comes up the list.